In this video, I'm going to show you how to set multiple home pages in Microsoft Edge step by step, so every time you open your browser, it loads the sites you want right away. This is a great little productivity trick if you always check the same pages in the morning, like email, your calendar, your dashboard, or your favorite news site. It only takes a minute, and once it's set up, you never have to open those tabs manually again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump into Microsoft Edge and get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From that menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, look for the section called Start, Home, and New Tab Page. This is the area where Microsoft Edge lets you control what happens when the browser starts, what your home button does, and what opens in a new tab. Now, inside that section, look for the On Startup settings. This is the part that controls what Edge loads when you first launch it. Select the option that says Open Custom Sites. Once you choose that option, you'll see an area where you can add the pages you want Edge to open automatically. Click Add a New Page or Add Site, depending on the version of Edge you're using. Then type in the full web address of the first site you want to open and click Add. After that, repeat the same process for every additional page you want included. That's what makes this work as multiple home pages instead of just one. You can add as many as you need, whether it's 2 pages or 5 pages, as long as they're the sites you want to launch when Edge starts. Be sure to enter the URLs carefully so there are no mistakes. A small typo can keep a page from opening correctly. Once all of your sites are added, go back and double check the list to make sure everything looks right. From this point on, every time you open Microsoft Edge, it will load all of those custom sites for you automatically. That means less clicking, faster access, and a much smoother start to your day. And if you ever want to change it later, you can return to the same Start, Home, and New Tab Page settings and edit the list whenever you want. So that's how to set multiple home pages in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.